Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to Manju Mission YouTube channel. And yesterday we covered the topic network devices. Today on day 5 we are explaining regarding the transmission media, that is wired and wireless. So today we are discussing about the transmission media. So for example, like fiber cables underground, like to invisible signals in the air. Okay. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how your internet calls and data travels and why choosing the right medium is critical in the real world networks. So without wasting much time, let's start the discussion. Okay. So wired transmission media. So let's start with the physical world where signal flows through the cables. For example, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optical cable, and also wireless transmission media like radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, and in real life appliance at home radio waves is there. Wi-Fi TV is there, Wi-Fi mobile is there, and offices twisted pair. In offices, we are going to use twisted pair cables, twisted fiber, reliability, speed, and in CCTV coaxial cable will be using. And so whether it's a copper, glass, or air, data always finds a way. Tomorrow we are going to discuss underneath. Tomorrow we are going to discuss deeply into all this in depth. So today we are going to start the transmission media briefly. So we'll start with the wired first wired connection, wired transmission. Later we'll discuss the wireless. Okay. So what is wired transmission, guys? Wired transmission media, we can tell is wired transmission media. So in wired transmission media, so it is a twisted pair cable. In wired, we will have a lot of wire. You will come twisted pair cable. So first we'll be one by one going to see the difference. So what is this twisted pair cable does is point by point, one by one, we'll just check it out. What and all to be used in telephones and LANs. So at the end of this video, I will be showing the picture of this all the cables. First, we'll explain what and all what is and what are all the users benefits of this and types. There are two types in this one: UTP, STP. UTP is Unified Twisted Pair. Twisted pair. STP is shielded twisted pair. Okay. So in UTP, is we can tell it will be used in home offices, networks like that, and it's cheaper. And STP it has shielding to reduce interface used in home and office networks. STP it will be shielding to reduce the interference. What about speed, guys? In both this one, in both speed will be up to 1 Gbps or more with Cat 6 and Cat 7, and the distance will be short range, up to 100 meters only it will support. So we'll be discussing about the speed also here. Speed will be like up to 1 Gbps, guys. 1 Gbps, 1 Gbps speed, or more also. In cat in it will be used in Cat 6, Cat 6, Cat 6, Cat 7 is not right. Category 6. There'll be where there'll be the availability of that cables. It is depending of the category. There'll be category 6, category 6A, category 6, uh, uh, category 7, like that. And what about the distance for this maximum distance? How much it will support? Distance short range, maximum 100 meters. So next in this wired transmission, we come across like twisted pair. Okay, next we'll discuss coaxial cable. Okay, as a single copper wire core are surrounded by insulation. Yes, like it's like a metal shield, and it will be like outer cover. At the end of the video, I'll try to show the picture of each and everything. First, we'll let us discuss the topic and explain the users benefits of this transmission media. So second, we'll discuss in wired transmission coaxial cable. Co cable. Start to discuss about that. This is second. And what is coaxial cable? Briefly, we'll explain as a single copper wire core surrounded by insulation, a metal shield, and an outer cover. Where it is used in cable TV's older lands. Cable TV, like you'll be seeing, like anybody, I think everyone having cable TV. So you can see that cable TV cables, how it is shielded, used in cable TV, and older lands also used to get like this. What about the speed? Speed is moderate, not high, not low. What about distance? Better than twisted cable, and more resistance can tell to interference. So in the wire transmission, next we'll discuss about the fiber. This is also under wire transmission. Fiber optic cable. So this is where and all it is used, is how it is used, how it is designed, how it is manufactured, what is the design of this, and what's the purpose of this. So we can explain that users in, so it is uses thin strands of glass or plastic to transmit data as light signals. used in high-speed internet, backbone networks, long-distance communication. So these fiber opticals will be used in high-speed internet, backbone networks, and long-distance communication. And this is used a thin strand of glass. It's not as it's a glass actually. I'll show you the picture at the end of this. And used in high-speed internet. And what about the speed? Extremely high, fast, up to TBs. You can see today's internet connection, it will be extremely fast, and distance it will be maximum very long distance, tens of kilometers together. We can just lay over it, and immunity not affected by electromagnetic interferences. It is advanced, like not affected interference, but very expensive, cost highly reliable. So these are the benefits of this fiber optical cable. Next, we'll learn the comparison between three cables: wired, fiber, and coaxial cable. Twisted pair, in wire transmission, we'll learn all three different twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber cable. Just give me a second, is fiber, okay? We'll learn all three comparisons now. First, we'll mention the feature and twisted pair, coaxial cable, and fiber optic. So from the speed, what are the feature required? One by one, we'll just keep on learning speed, cost, distance, and interference. And usage. Last but not least, usage. So one by one, we start learning of the different cables. Twisted pair cable. What is the speed? Maximum up to 1 Gbps. And in coaxial cable, up to 100 Mbps. 100 Mbps. And fiber up to 1 TBs. N numbers are 2 TBs. Terabytes per second. TBs is terabytes, megabytes per second, gigabytes per second. This is the speed of each transmission medias, and we'll discuss about the cost. Second, we'll just move to the next row. Yes. whatever the cost is low. Twisted pair cable is low, and what cost of coaxial cable will be medium, and fiber optical is costly but very effective. And what about the distance less than 100 meters? I'm talking about the meters. This is 500 meters. You have to convert to kilometer, and up to 600 kilometer maximum distance. That is the speed of three different pairs. And the last, what we'll discuss regarding the interference. What could be the interference of twisted pair is IUTP. It's a medium, and it's none, no interference for this. And last but not least, usage. Where and all it is be used. It will be used in LAN, telephones, and it coaxial will be used in cable, TV, CCTV, and also fiber will be used in backbone area, backbone, internet. So these are the usages and features of all three different twisted cables in the transmission media, wired media. Okay, guys, just I will just show you the diagram of each transmission media. So let me show you the picture of these three different cables. So this is a picture. First one is twisted pair cable. So I think you'll be seeing in all these LANs and telephones, will be using this type of cable. There will be a foil shielded here. This is a twisted pair. We'll be having eight different twisted pairs, eight different pairs, four pairs and eight cables. This is a foil shield jacket and coaxial cable. I think everyone will be seeing this one in our cable wires. So TV cables, same. You'll be using this one. So it will be insulated material here. It's copper core. I think this is the where we'll get the signals of the signal of the cable, and there is a protective plastic covering here. This optical cable, it will be a fiber core. This is light optical fiber. They'll pass the data through the light. This is the pictures of three different cables. So by this, we are going to end this. So here is the notes. If you need these notes, please comment me. I'll be sharing this. And in the next coming video, day 6, I'll be explaining regarding the transmission media, wired connection, not wired connection, wireless connection. So by this I'm going to end this session. Kindly request you please subscribe my channel and also share to your friends so they can gain the knowledge. And this is all you'll be asking interview questions. If you go for the hardware networking position, L1 support, L2 support, I kindly request you go to all these topics. Go again this all the video if you didn't understand for first time, and also go through these notes so it will be easy to understand for you guys. This is a transmission media, wired connection. Okay. Next topic I'll cover the wireless. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a great day.